Turning OTP off on Amazon. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to turn off OTP in Amazon. So let's get started. To turn off OTP on Amazon, first open your browser and go to the Amazon login page. Here sign in with your email or username. Then add your password. Complete the two-step verification by entering the code sent to your phone or authentication app. Once you are in your account, go to Login and Security. Now find the two-step verification section and click Edit or Manage. Then choose the option to disable or turn off. You will receive a security code through SMS, your authentication app, or your backup codes. Enter the code in the required field and click Verify. After the code is confirmed, Amazon will show that 2FA has been disabled. Then save your changes to finish. And that's all. That's how you will be able to turn off OTP in Amazon.